Hello guys, today I am going to tell you how compounds are formed. So let's see that. So there we learn how the compound carbon dioxide will form. So let's see. So this is the atom of a carbon, whose atomic number is 6 and electronic configuration is 2.4. So now if we now how this will form means its valence is what? Its valence is 4, means it requires more 4 electrons in its outermost shell. So if some oxygen gas is produced, then what will happen? We are talking about just one compound. Then I will draw here the atom of oxygen, then you will understand. So here I have constructed the atom of the oxygen, so whose atomic number is 8. So electronic configuration will be 2.6. Electronic configuration will be, so in its inner shell it has 2 electrons. In its outer shell, this oxygen atom has 1 2 3 4 5 6 electrons. Now when it's combining with that carbon, this oxygen carbon element or carbon atom, now these two atoms shares their both electrons to become stable. These two both atoms shares their electrons to become stable. Now you can see here in this side the oxygen has become in its outermost shell there are 8 electrons. If we count 1 2 3 4 5 6, and these two are common for the both atoms, so 7 8. But in carbon, if we see how many are there, 1 2 3 4 5 6, so more 2 is needed. So same one more atom of oxygen will come and combine with carbon. So how it will, I will draw. So this also I have considered this oxygen atom. So in this oxygen atom the valence is also -2, and here also -2. It requires 2, and so it requires two more electrons. So it's combined with that and it get 2 electrons from there. So in its outermost shell now there is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 electrons. Now this and this atom is stable because it has 8 electrons in its outermost shell. And now let us see this atom. Now this atom is also stable because it has also 8 electrons in its outermost shell. So this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So this is the way how compounds are formed. By their valence, by seeing their valence, we can find the compounds from the compounds. So no need to remember any kind of formulas. So there is a wrong method in some books that they shows in this way valences are gone. The valence of carbon is 4, the valence of oxygen is 2. So this go here and this go here. This method is wrong. So it becomes C2O4. This method is totally wrong. We cannot use this method. The best method is that the method which I have shown. This is the real method how they combine. This is the wrong method. These are used for doing some shortcuts, but this is not the actual method. So draw and understand first how they form, then you can apply this if you want. Don't apply this is not correct. See, because carbon has valence 4, oxygen 2. So this go there, this go there, so cancel 2. This is not correct. So thank you for today and bye bye.
Oh, hello guys, my name is Tanmay and please subscribe my channel. My channel name is FC Tanmay and please like my videos and share my videos and don't forget to click the bell icon when you subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hi, the link is given in the description.